This is anti-aging. It contains some vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in this rose water here. So everything I have to do here has to do with skin tightening. And then I have my raw vitamin E. You can use the small vitamin E capsules you have at home. And then we have the bullets. So let's get started in making this amazing serum that will help to tighten up your skin. So aloe vera is washed. We are going to be using the gel of the aloe vera. Whenever I make this serum, I don't like to make a lot because it is not going to contain any preservatives. So I like to make them small. So I will use half of this aloe vera gel. So I'm going to take just a little bit of aloe vera gel in this bullet. The next thing here is about 1 teaspoon. Looks like, okay, so we're using 1 teaspoon of boiled rice. Put it in here. And over here is the rose water. I will also use 2 tablespoons of aloe vera I will use 2 tablespoons of rose water. So I have 1 in here, and I am going to put the second tablespoon. So when you have this in the bullet, this is how small it is. This is going to last for 1 week. So you're going to blend it. Blending this, make sure you have a glass jar. You're going to turn this up into a glass jar. And this is when you will add your oil. I love to use the rose oil. If you don't have rose oil, use any carrier oil you have, but do not use coconut oil because coconut oil will solidify this consistency. It's going to make it solid, so you want to keep it moist. So I am using 1 tablespoon of my rose oil, and I will add just a little bit of vitamin E. Add about 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. You're gonna cover this up and you want to shake. Shake, shake, shake. So you have your serum ready to be used. Let's go ahead and apply this on the skin. Your serum is ready to be applied on your clean face. So you take a little bit after shower. Ooh, you're gonna apply this all over your face on a circular motion and your neck. Believe me guys, this feels so good, and it is better than some of the moisturizers you buy from the store. You can feel this tightening up your skin right away, like instant tightening of your skin. You want to store this in the fridge. Do not put this in your kitchen cabinet or in your bathroom cabinet. Keep them in the fridge so that you get the maximum benefit of this. This here is going to last me for only 1 week, and then I will do another one. So like I said, if you don't have rose oil, go ahead and use any carrier oil that you have at home, but do not use cooking oil. Do not use coconut oil. You can use olive oil. You can use sweet almond oil. I love using sweet almond oil. Those are the two oils that I know that you can get anywhere. However, if you have the money or the needs to go and buy argan oil because you want to really move deep wrinkles, go ahead and use argan oil. Thank you guys. Remember, subscribe and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.